This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new VN project and choosing resolution and frame rate so your export matches the target platform. Once created, import all video, image, and audio files. Drag them into the timeline to start constructing the story. Make sure to group related clips in folders or tracks to keep edits fast. While you do this, set project aspect ratio and save a project name. These first steps lock the canvas and prevent rework later. Now you focus on detailed editing. Trim and split clips to remove dead space and improve pacing, and use the speed tool for slow motion or time lapses. Once done, correct color and exposure to match shots, then balance audio levels so dialogue sits above music. Add transitions and overlays sparingly. Apply keyframes for precise motion or opacity changes. Make sure to preview frequently to ensure edits flow naturally and maintain the intended rhythm. Finish by exporting with the right settings. Select container and resolution, set bitrate for quality versus file size, and enable hardware encoding when possible to speed export. After exporting, play the full file to confirm audio sync, subtitles, and visual quality. If you encounter glitches or crashes, clear VN's cache, re-render problematic segments, or reduce bitrate and re-export. Finally, back up the project file and media. That way you can fix problems without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.